My name is Maureen McCarthy, and I'm one of the lead authors for the State of the Carbon Cycle, second State of the Carbon Cycle report that we just finished and was released a few weeks ago. This report is really a seminal report. It has the technical details of carbon stocks and fluxes on all sorts of different types of land types. Grasslands, agricultural lands. It talks about the emissions and the sequestration of carbon from energy sources, and it really portrays what is happening in the carbon cycle now and has been happening for the last several decades. So my role in this report is I'm the lead author for the Tribal Lands chapter, which is a new chapter in this report, new in the second State of the Carbon Cycle report. And this is an opportunity to really look at both tribal communities and their long history on the land in North America, Canada, the United States, and Mexico, and understand how carbon has been part of indigenous life on the continent for many, many thousands of years. And so it's our opportunity to see the difference between tribal practices and how their different agricultural practices, how they manage their forests, the use of fire, their agricultural practices are different from non-tribal communities in the surrounding area. It also looks at the impact of tribal indigenous communities being moved to reservation lands, including the socioeconomic challenges in these communities and how that's been reflected in their choices of land use, the use and the extraction of fossil fuels, energy sources, agricultural practices, water practices. So that's an integral part of this report. And the nice thing about the SOCCR2 report is it gives a lot of technical details about carbon stocks and carbon fluxes on these different land types, but it also includes the human dimensions, the socioeconomic dimensions, how different communities interact with their environment, with their ecosystems, and how that's been reflected in carbon cycling over the last 150 years and what it looks like for our future. So I hope you get a chance to read the report in detail and look at the sections that you think are most relevant to you.